In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a SQL Server database installation in the event that it is corrupted or some files are missing and you have the installation image. So there are two ways. You can do this through the command line, or you can do this through the graphical user interface. So if we go to the graphical user interface, this is that is the SQL Server image, ISO image. Let me go to the G drive here, and all we need to do is run this as administrator. I am going to use one of them, and then of course if you come over here on maintenance page on the installation center, then you can click this repair, and this is going to spin up a graphical user interface that you can really just click next, and start the process of repairing the SQL Server. Now you do this if for some instance something happened to your, and of course when you come over here you can select the instance that you want to repair. On this box here we only have the default instance, and I'm just gonna keep it as default. Go to next, and like I said, you can invoke this on the command line. You can invoke it to run quietly, and you can also just invoke it from the command line, and then it's gonna spin up this graphical user interface and it's gonna start repairing. Now I've kicked it off. It's gonna start repairing, and this is gonna take some time, of which once it is done, I am going to show you how to do it from the command line as well. So I'll just pause it a little bit so that it can run, and then I'll show you the progress bar on how it is going as it keeps going. And that is how you repair your SQL Server 2025. And the reason why you would need to repair your SQL Server 2025, like I said, you might have a situation where some files are corrupted, something happened, some files were deleted, anything that is possible may have happened. An application was running on the box and it may have gone and corrupted some of the binary files for SQL Server. So repairing it would involve would be one solution to kind of fix it. Now, like I showed you here, you can invoke this from the installation center, or let me close this, or if you as somebody who likes to do everything on the command line, you could do over here setup action repair on the command line. And what this is going to do is it's just going to invoke that repair graphical user interface directly, and you can go ahead and start seeing what's going on here. So in the future, at some point, you may be faced with this situation to repair your SQL Server. So since I've already repaired it, that's going to conclude this video. If you know somebody who is having any issues trying to figure out what recently happened to their SQL Server database engine, some binaries were deleted, something corrupted, anything, you must show them this video, because this is going to help them know how to repair. But if they still have issues, let them know that they can contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.